Hello, in this video, I'm going to explain why the term estrogens is always plural. That is because there are three compounds in the family that is referred to as estrogen. So when we talk about estrogen in general, we could be referring to any of these three compounds. Now, there are some slight differences between the three, but in general, they tend to have similar functions and they tend to work together. But there is a lot of research currently being done on the specific effects and influences of especially E1 and E3, that's estrone and estriol, because they are considered to be weaker estrogens with fewer functions, but we're learning that they actually might have more to do in the body than we originally thought. So estrone, also called E1, as I mentioned, is considered a weak estrogen. It increases significantly after menopause. So with menopause, E2, estradiol, which is thought to be the most biologically active of our estrogens and responsible for most of the things that estrogen does in the body. So with menopause, estradiol goes way down and estrone goes a lot higher. But of course, with menopause, we know that the total estrogen level is significantly lower, which has effects all around the body. So even though estrone does increase during menopause or after menopause, I should say, that doesn't mean that it's increasing to the extent that it compensates for the lowered estradiol levels. Estradiol, or E2, is also the most common form of estrogen that is used in hormone replacement therapy after menopause. And then finally, estriol, that's E3, is another one that is considered to be a weak estrogen, but it's a new area of research that are looking into the involvement of estriol in pregnancy. So estriol is actually very abundant during pregnancy. It's the highest concentration of any of our three estrogens during pregnancy. And it appears to strengthen the pregnancy. I say it that way. It's kind of hard to say that with confidence because from what I've seen, that's based mostly on animal studies where they add estriol for animals who don't normally produce it. So it's kind of hard to interpret those sorts of studies and say what the effects really are in humans. But that is an active area of study. So we will hopefully find out more about that in the coming years. All right, well, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.